Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Osmosis Coin using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet, then go to the Discover page, and at the Discover page, you will find the Osmosis coin at the staking section on the top. If it does not appear on the top here, you just have to tap on the See All at the staking section, and you will find on this list the Osmosis coin. Now to get Osmosis, you just have to tap on it, and here you have a few choices. You can either tap on receive, and this way the Trust Wallet app is going to generate for you a QR code automatically, which you can use to receive Osmosis coin in your wallet. Now you can either go ahead and scan this code if you have Osmosis in a different wallet of yours. You just scan this QR code and you can send it to Trust Wallet. You can also tap on copy, and it's going to copy your Trust Wallet address, and you can send this to anyone that wants to send you Osmosis coins, or you can just tap on share and share your QR code on social media or any other platforms. There is another very cool feature here, the set amount feature, where you can type in a set amount of Osmosis coins, let's say 500, tap on confirm. It's going to generate a new QR code for you, which is for this exact amount of coins. So using this QR code, you can only receive this exact amount of Osmosis coins. So it's very nice feature for transactions or payments or any other transactions. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.